Hi, this is Smita Deo and welcome to Get Curried. Amritsar is not just known for the Golden Temple or the Jallianwala Bagh, but also for some amazing food that's served in the local dhabas. And I was very lucky that I got an opportunity to learn one lovely recipe from one of the local cooks of Amritsar, which is thoroughly enjoyed at my home, which we call the Amritsari Chicken Masala. For that, I have a kilo of chicken which we're going to marinate with a few spices and ingredients. So I'm going to add a tablespoon of garlic paste to the chicken, a tablespoon of ginger paste, a cup of yogurt, one medium onion which I have finely chopped, a teaspoon of cumin seed powder, a tablespoon of coriander seed powder, a tablespoon of red chilli powder, juice of half a lemon, and a teaspoon of vinegar, some salt as well. So let's mix all these ingredients together and marinate the meat for at least 2 hours. We've marinated the chicken. Now let's keep it aside and let's get on with the gravy. So for the gravy, I'm going to heat 2 tablespoons of oil and a tablespoon of butter. And as soon as the butter melts and the oil is hot, we'll add the rest of the ingredients. The butter has melted and the oil is hot. I'm going to add an inch of ginger that I've finely chopped, 4 green chilies that I've finely chopped, and I'm going to fry them till the raw smell goes off. I have about 5 chopped tomatoes here, medium-sized tomatoes. I'm going to add this to the ginger and the green chilies. And we're going to saute these tomatoes till the oil separates. There's a slight amount of oil that's separated in the curry. Let's add the spices. I'm going to add a teaspoon of red chilli powder. Remember, in our marination also we've added red chilies. I'm going to add half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, a teaspoon of coriander seed powder, and half a teaspoon of cumin seed powder. Mix this well. The tomatoes are also nice and mushy. Now just let's wait for a little more oil to separate. The tomato gravy is ready. Let's just keep this aside and then we'll just fry the chicken quickly. I've kept another kadai to heat over here. I'm going to add a tablespoon of oil, a tablespoon of butter. There's quite a lot of butter in this dish, but I'm sure that's going to bring in a lot of taste to the curry. So as the butter melts and the oil is hot, we're going to add the marinated chicken. The oil is hot, the butter is melted again. So let's now fry the chicken till it turns into a nice brown color. So I've kept the flame on a high because I want all the juices to be trapped into the chicken, and while we're cooking it along with the gravy, I want to cook the chicken in its own juices. As you can see, the water has evaporated and there is a beautiful layer of oil that's floating on the chicken. We'll just stir this up quickly. And the chicken, along with the marinade, has also got a lovely slight brownish color to it. So what we're going to do now is we're going to add the tomato gravy that we had prepared earlier. So just let me get the kadai. Mix this well. Now what I'm going to do is add water to make this into a nice thick gravy, about 2 cups. And we're also going to adjust the seasoning, as in the salt. So if you feel at this point of time the salt is less, you can add according to your taste. I'm going to sprinkle about a teaspoon of Garam Masala on this. Mix this well. So I'm going to cover this and cook for another 5 to 6 minutes on a medium flame. So we've cooked the chicken for another 5 minutes after we added the gravy, and our chicken is ready. I can already see the meat off the bone. So I'm going to add a tablespoon of cream to this. Shut the flame, mix it well. And our Amritsari Chicken Masala is ready to be served. Let's remove it in a serving bowl. Let's garnish this now with a little bit of cream. Some finely chopped fresh coriander. And some finely chopped green chilies. And our dish is ready to be served. You can serve it with parathas or chapatis or any bread of your choice. Do try this recipe and let me know, and keep watching Get Curried.